Alright guys, so the journey to Saudi Arabia has officially started for us. Right, me and Scott there. You don't know. Yeah man, there is some man them up front there, so stay tuned. We're going to give you updates right along the way.
This video is made possible by Jamaica, the heartbeat of the world, Jam West Adventure Park, Tire Warehouse Jamaica, Fuel Depot and Ministry of Sports.
Alright guys, so to give you an update, to Saudi Arabia we have to first go to Germany, then to Jordan, then Saudi Arabia, so a couple of hours as well. So I guess by the time you're watching this video would have already reached safely to Saudi Arabia. Alright, so stay tuned and we're gonna give you updates right along the way. Alright guys, so we're on board. Alright, he's there. He's working. Don't know. Scott this, so we're on about this, so stay tuned peeps, one love. Alright, don't know, big up. Alright peeps, so another update. We just landed in Germany. It's now 5:15 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, we're just going to get our luggages and catch the next connecting flight to which part again, Keys? Well, next Jordan. Alright, so peeps, we are a bit behind, we're running late, so crazy rush right now. We're just trying to find our correct flight, so stay tuned. Let me show you some nice German souvenirs. Yeah, so you don't know, stay tuned. We will try to give you as much update as possible. Journey to Saudi Arabia, Nicholas Barnes Red Bull World Finals, Car Park Drift World Finals. So stay tuned, alright? Because majority of people on this side of the world are at least bilingual. They do speak English and they speak the native, whether it's German, Arabic, whatever, but that's pretty surprising to me. I just randomly went up to somebody a while ago, just to ensure that we're at the right gate, and he responded in English, and then he spoke his native language. So yeah, that's really something for me, so just an observation on the journey. As I said, this is not only going to be about cars, all right? This trip is just the entire vibe, what I like, what I don't like, what I love, all of that. So stay tuned. We're still in Germany. Me and Keys there, Keys wrecking, seeing, right? The other guys, they are going on other flights, so that's Scott and Dexter. They're on other flights. So we'll all meet up in Jeddah, but for now we have separate connecting flights, so stay tuned. We are here waiting to board our flight to Jordan. If you ever traveling to this side of the world. Just make sure you have the correct plugs. Alright? Alright, so big up, cool. Really hard man thing, Bun, what we say? Yeah man, how that? How which brand that? How which brand that?
National brand.
Yeah man, can't get no food over Europe, yeah boy. I tell you, so you don't know if you draw for the dryers, Yes, I am. Alright, so guys, yeah man, this have whole more room, man. Yeah man, I can't work with this alone. I'm not a TV or not no entertainment. But yeah, it's we're heading to Jeddah now, Amman. So yeah, stay tuned. Journey to Saudi. This is really a journey to Saudi Arabia. Yeah man, so anyway.
دنيا طيبة شرفتونا. كما يسرنا ترحيب المسافرين المشتركين معنا ببرنامج المسافر الدائم للملكية الأردنية رويال كلاب وحملة بطاقة المسافر الدائم لتحالف ونورد. تستغرق الرحلة إلى عمان 3 ساعات و50.
Alright peeps, next stop Jordan. Keys over there, so stay tuned.
Everybody want to know where me Them a ask me where me come from. Where me come from? Me a yard man, we no take program. 1876 of my region, yeah. We proud and strong. Them a ask me.
Alright guys, so remember I said that we're going to give you an update on everything, right? So yeah, make sure to eat full of the belly before they leave the yard, alright?
المملكة الأردنية الهاشمية. التوقيت المحلي يشير إلى تمام الساعة 9 مساء ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية هي 12 درجة مئوية. لراحتكم وسلامتكم نرجو من حضراتكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم مع إبقاء أحزمة المقاعد مربوطة إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتزال إشارة ربط أحزمة المقاعد. حضرات الركاب الذين ينهون رحلتهم في مطار الملكة علياء الدولي نتمنى لكم إقامة سعيدة وممتعة في الأردن.
It's 9 p.m. in Amman, Jordan, and we just landed. Yeah, so it's 9 p.m. Jamaican time, that would be 1:05 p.m. Yeah, so stay tuned. Landed safely in Jordan. Our next connecting flight is to Jeddah. Yep, yeah man, journey to Saudi Arabia. Yeah man, journey to Saudi Arabia. Ready? Alright, so we just landed in Jordan. About to board some buses. So stay tuned. Journey to Saudi Arabia. You know? Yeah man, the keys there, you know.
Yeah, we have to figure out the puzzle.
Alright.
We have to run the world, but we have to figure out the puzzle. I'm going to talk, nobody in talk, but we have to figure it out.
Alright, boy. We touched out a door that while ago and boy, place chilly. Yeah man, cause
And I told you, imagine how Germany feel outside.
exactly. Because Germany was we'll get a little store now. So Germany was what 3 degrees? Right? Luckily we never had to go outside. Right here in Jordan it is 12 degrees. And trust me, yo, place chilly. So just imagine if we go outside for Germany. But as I said, we landed safely. We have another flight it's been non-stop from morning, like back to back to back. So, you know, we haven't got a chance to even, you know, rest, like chill, because we had to just from one flight to the next, to the next, to the next. So, yeah, stay tuned. As I said, we're giving you updates minute by minute, every location as much as possible. I almost catch me one. Yeah, we're on it, peeps. On it. So, we are in Jordan having what is now lunch, breakfast. I don't even know what we just eat because the time zones are messed up. What time now in Jordan?
I'm in Jordan now is 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Alright, which means it is now Jamaican time, 2 o'clock.
2 p.m.
Yeah, man. So, we just had Big Mac, McDonald's.
And
There's Dunkin' Donuts.
It was like, what time in the morning when you land in Germany? When you land in Germany, it was what? About
6 hours ahead. Now we're 8 hours ahead. Alright, so food time. Alright guys, so the journey continues. We are in Jordan, the Jordan airport in Amman. Just to kind of give you guys a quick look around. We have McDonald's, right? There's Dunkin' Donuts there as well. There's pastry store, you know, all kind of stuff. So yeah, there's Starbucks, by the way. Where is it? Starbucks. No? Yes, Starbucks. Yeah, man. So it's a great vibe here. We're about to board our next flight to Jeddah. Yeah, peeps, still in Jordan. You know, honestly, I'm wondering if, you know, when we hear about River Jordan, if there's a river, like this is the place where River Jordan is. Well, I want to think so, no, but yeah, somebody can probably, by the time this video come out, somebody can probably let me know in the comments. Yeah, man. So movements. See if we can go get our next flight now. World Cup going on. Wow. All right, so where's it? Keys. Where's it? Yeah. Take a photo here, so.
Hi, welcome Jamaica. Welcome to Jordan, and follow us at 768.
Big up. Alright, so guys, just a quick observation, right? We're passing a pharmacy in the airport, and I mean, so people might wonder how different it is, our culture in Jamaica is from the rest of the world. Well, I tell you the truth, it's not much different because they have some of the same products that we have. For example, there's Advil, right? There's just the usual stuff, Pampers, Enfamil, right? Yeah, I mean, look in the background. Yeah, I mean, a lot of products that we use, they use as well, you know. Alright, so peeps, just to show you, I'm very much amazed that they have a prayer room right there. yeah, there is a prayer room. So you know, these people, they take their religion very serious, right? Yeah, man, they have a prayer room dedicated. So that's downstairs if you want to go to the prayer room. But we're going to catch our next flight, so stay tuned. Alright, so guys, just about to leave Jordan now. Boarding. About to board the flight, so. Alright guys, so we're about to leave Jordan now to head to Jeddah. So finally our 24-hour flight trip, you know, coming to an end. So stay tuned. As I said, we're giving you an update right along the way. Alright, so we want you to be a part of this historic moment. As I said, thanks to the sponsors. You know, the journey to Saudi Arabia continues. Container, I was wondering what is in it, right? Anyway, I turn around the label and it's Tiba Shanini. No, I see 100% fresh milk, no preservative. Somebody can tell me which animal this come from, please and thanks. Journey to Saudi Arabia has come to pass, I would say. Yeah, we made it successfully, we made it safely.
ضيوفنا الأعزاء أهلا بكم في مطار الملك عبد العزيز في مدينة جدة. التوقيت المحلي يشير لتمام الساعة 3:13 صباحا، ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية 26 درجة مئوية. لسلامتكم نرجو من حضراتكم بقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم مع إبقاء أحزمة المقاعد مربوطة إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتزال إشارة ربط أحزمة المقاعد. نود أعلمكم أنه يمنع التدخين نهائيا في مبنى المطار، كما نود أن نذكركم بأخذ جميع أمتعتكم اليدوية عند مغادرتكم الطائرة. نشكركم لاختياركم ملكية الأردنية تحالف فنوود، متمنين لكم إقامة سعيدة في جدة وشكرا. Dear guests, welcome to King Abdulaziz International Airport, where the local time is 14 minutes past 3 a.m. and the outside temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, we request that you remain seated with seatbelt fastened until the aircraft boards the gate and the fast seatbelt sign is turned off.
great news, guys. Made it to Jeddah. Clear immigration, everything, we're good to go. So we're heading outside now to meet up with the guys. So yeah. Come back. Yeah. Alright.
You want me to see a burn of an
So we link up peeps, smart thing. Cool. Alright, so we're in Jeddah. Alright, so in Jeddah, taxi, yeah, BMW, yeah. Yes, sir. Mad thing. Alright, so in terms of, I mean, we just got out of the airport, but we see RAV4, you know, cars that we're used to. Mazda, Nissan. We have Sonata over there. Okay, Hyundai, Nissan Sunny. Okay, we have American cars here as well. Alright, cool. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. As I said, we're gonna give you a taste of everything on this trip. Alright, fully loaded. That's what we're doing. Yeah, man. So stay tuned.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.